Today, data is everywhere. For companies, it's become one of the most important resources, essential in the age of the Internet of Things. To unleash its full potential, we must transform this flood of data into useful knowledge. That means capturing and analyzing data from countless sources. It's a staggering challenge. MindSphere, the cloud-based open IoT operating system, so that companies of every type and size can unlock their data assets and put them to profitable use. MindSphere rapidly connects existing assets and systems of various manufacturers to gather data from a multitude of sources. Advanced analytics and applications from Siemens, our partners, and other providers transform this data into valuable knowledge. Knowledge that helps increase availability, quality, and efficiency across the value chain. Knowledge that solves problems before they occur. Knowledge that will accelerate processes, open up new levels of flexibility, and simplify decision-making. Knowledge that makes companies better.